We have 3,000 spaces on the establishment for police officers. We have 2,000 spaces for persons to go into the army. We have 300 for persons in the correctional service and 40 spaces for immigration. It is nice to say we have the vacancies, but we must actively go after the persons who we want to join.
To facilitate this, the Ministry of National Security has entered into an agreement to teach fundamentals in security science to college students. The Ministry and the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF signed a Memorandum of Understanding on March 22 with the 4 colleges to provide the course to 400 students at a cost of $28 million.
I think it is going to be money well invested in our young people.
The certificate program will run for 3 months, and successful students will have the opportunity to be selected for recruitment into the JCF.
And that is going to be important in how we turn around the numbers that are needed for the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
Former National Security Minister Robert Montego says the partnership is part of a program to pre-certify individuals wanting a career in various areas of the security force.
Once you satisfy the requirements of that community college and the program, a background check is done, the necessary tests are administered, and you enter into the program. And once you are within the program, you must also sign an agreement with the government, because the Ministry of National Security is underwriting the full cost of the program.
Director of the National Police College ACP Yvonne Martin Daly says the courses will introduce students to core knowledge that is necessary for policemen and women.
This program will incorporate topics like communication, sociology, information technology, customer service, ethics, the Jamaican justice systems, and that will incorporate some theoretical aspects of the laws in Jamaica that is usually taught at the college. And of course, they will be involved in physical fitness and community engagement.
The Security Ministry and the community colleges will jointly advertise the program and invite persons to apply to the various institutions. After receiving the certificate at the end of the course, persons wanting to enter the police force will have to do a polygraph and a medical test. Provision is also in place to accommodate persons who did not make it into the force.
And the program is also crafted with the PSRA, the Private Security Regulatory Authority, so that persons who complete the program, don't make the cut to go into the JCF, would have the basics to enter into the private security industry. So it's a tripartite between the colleges, the ministry, and the police. And within the ministry would be the PSRA. And therefore, we are creating new opportunities.
The partnership with the education sector came out of a need to build the specialized capacity of its members, accelerate the recruiting process, and to provide dormitory accommodation.
The University of the West Indies, through the MOU, they are providing space at the institution to train 600 police officers per year. The first set of 300 is already in training. And this program will give us an additional 400, because you will do 1 semester at the colleges and then move, I think, 4 months at the National Police College.
Representing the colleges, President of the Hydel University College, Hyacinth Bennett, says the partnership is an indication of the Security Ministry's position to increase the quality of the JCF members.
I also want to interpret to mean that he's investing confidence in us as educators. And we are promising and we are committing that this investment in the final analysis will be worthy of it.